Myron here with Best Contracting. Today we are going to do a ridge vent replacement for this customer who is looking for a repair. First, we will be removing the old aluminum ridge vent. The aluminum ridge vent is more apt to leak, so it is not uncommon to have an aluminum ridge vent leaking into a home. Here we are putting the shingle river style ridge vent to the roof. There are various styles that you can choose from. You can use either 2 or 3 inch roofing nails to fasten the ridge vent to the roof. Make sure you are installing this straight along the roof, and if the shingles were installed in a straight fashion, you can use that as your guide. Recommended to fasten the one side first. Be sure to use adequate nails. After the one side has been fastened down, you can lay over the ridge vent for this particular style and begin to fasten the other side. I would recommend using more than less nails. You can also look over the ridge vent and see where it may be held up due to the roof line, and you can add additional nails in those areas. Here we will be taking the first starter shingle. We need that black tar strip for the first shingle capping to be fastened to, so it properly seals down. We'll take this piece, and obviously, like I mentioned, we'll use this as a starter piece, so the piece that goes over top of it can properly seal down to that. You'll start the capping by lining up the edges of the capping to the edge of the ridge vent and just follow on down the line. Typically you will use 1 nail per side, and you will fasten the nail just slightly on or below the tar strip. Over time, these shingles will lay down with added warmth and sunlight. Here's the finished product.